anyị ga-ekwu maka ịgwa ụmụaka okwu. Okay, so I'll be giving you one example of things you might say to your children in Igbo. Okay, there are loads of things, okay, and we sort of cover this in the boot camp. Registration is still on if you haven't registered, okay, but I'll give you sort of a sample. Okay, so I'll show you the next picture and you sort of tell me what you think it's going on there, and then I'll tell you what is actually going on there. Okay, ngwan I got ke ihe iche na-eme. Ke ihe iche na-eme. What do you think is going on? Ka anyị pụọ. So the adults are saying to the child, Ka anyị pụọ. What do you think it means? Ka anyị pụọ. Let's go out. Let's go out. We all know children like to go out. Let's go out. Okay? So let's say it again. Ka anyị. So anyị means us. Let us go out. So as us. Let us go out. Okay? Ka anyị pụọ. Let us go out. Okay? So you've learnt it. What sentence you can use with your kids today when you want to take them out. Ka anyị pụọ, or your niece or your nephew. Okay? Ka anyị pụọ. Okay? Ka anyị pụọ. Alright. Well, to learn more things like this, you just join the Igbo Speakers Bootcamp because it's still ongoing. Registration is still ongoing, okay? And actually today we had a fantastic live session in the group today, where we had a chat. We practiced our Igbo speaking. So suribota, okay? Suribota. I spoke Igbo today. So that's what happens when you're in the boot camp. You actually speak it. It's not just watch on YouTube. So join now. Looking forward to seeing you. Kode.